Thinking of starting a toy manufacturing business in Malaysia? Malaysia is a strategic location for toy manufacturing, offering cost-efficient production, skilled labor, and access to regional markets like ASEAN and beyond. Whether it's educational toys, plastic figurines, plush items, or electronic gadgets, Malaysia's infrastructure supports a full spectrum of toy production. To begin, you'll need to register your company as a Sdn Bhd Sdn Bhd. Obtain manufacturing and product safety licenses and comply with Malaysia's toy safety regulations. At 3E Accounting, we guide you through every step, from incorporation, regulatory compliance, and product certification to custom support for global exports. With trade agreements and government incentives, Malaysia offers great potential to grow your toy brand locally and internationally. Let 3E Accounting Malaysia help you navigate the path from idea to factory and from factory to market. Build the future of play. Start your toy manufacturing business in Malaysia today with 3E Accounting. Visit 3E Accounting today, your one-stop solution for business success.